In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract shapes in Adobe Illustrator. This is a very useful technique when you want to cut one shape out of another and create clean custom designs quickly. If you've ever needed to make a hole, trim part of an object, or combine simple shapes into something more refined, this is one of the easiest tools to use. Start by opening your Adobe Illustrator file. Once your file is open, make sure you have two overlapping shapes on your artboard. This part is important because the subtract command only works the way you expect when the shapes overlap. Also make sure the shape you want to subtract is placed on top of the shape you want to cut from. In other words, the front shape is the one that will be removed from the shape underneath. Next, select both shapes. You can do this with the selection tool by clicking on the shapes or by clicking in an empty area and dragging a selection box over both of them. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly check that both objects are selected because the Pathfinder action needs both shapes active at the same time. After that, go to the top toolbar and click Window. From the drop-down menu, choose Pathfinder. This will open the Pathfinder panel, which contains several options for combining and editing shapes. If you don't usually work with this panel, don't worry. For this task, you only need one button. In the Pathfinder panel, find the option called -front and click it. This command subtracts the front or top shape from the back shape. As soon as you click it, Illustrator removes the top shape's area from the bottom shape. You should now see that the lower shape has been cut using the outline of the upper shape. This is especially helpful for logo work, icons, badges, and any design where you need precise shape editing without drawing everything manually. If the result doesn't look right, the most common reason is the layer order. Make sure the shape you want removed is actually on top before using -front. Overlap also matters, so confirm that the two shapes are touching where you want the cut to happen. And that's it. That's how to subtract shapes in Adobe Illustrator using the Pathfinder panel. Once you get comfortable with this, it becomes a fast and reliable way to build more complex artwork from simple shapes.